given the image and text analytics in this chapter. Can data about sound also contribute in data analytics? Yes, data about sound can indeed contribute to data analytics. Sound data, also known as audio data, can be analyzed using techniques similar to those used for image and text analytics. Here's how sound data can be leveraged in data analytics. Speech recognition. Sound data can be analyzed to extract spoken words and convert them into text. This process, known as speech recognition or speech-to-text conversion, is widely used in applications such as virtual assistants, example Siri, Alexa, voice-controlled devices, transcription services, and call center analytics. Audio classification. Sound data can be classified into different categories or classes based on audio features such as pitch, frequency, amplitude, and duration. This involves using machine learning algorithms to classify audio recordings into predefined categories, such as music genres, environmental sounds, or speech types. Example, male versus female, different languages. Anomaly detection. Sound data can be analyzed to detect unusual or anomalous patterns, such as abnormal sounds or acoustic signatures. This is useful in applications such as industrial equipment monitoring, predictive maintenance, security surveillance, and healthcare diagnostics. Example, detecting heart murmurs or respiratory disorders. Sound localization and source separation. Sound data can be analyzed to localize sound sources in a given environment and separate overlapping sounds into individual sources. This involves using techniques such as beamforming, blind source separation, and spatial audio processing. Sound localization and source separation are important for applications such as audio surveillance, speech enhancement, and immersive audio experiences. Acoustic event detection. Sound data can be analyzed to detect specific acoustic events or phenomena within an audio recording. This includes identifying keywords, events, or activities based on their acoustic signatures. Acoustic event detection is used in applications such as environmental monitoring, example, detecting bird calls or traffic noise, security surveillance, and smart home automation. Give few more applications areas of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving field with applications across a wide range of industries and domains. Here are a few more application areas of AI. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and patient care. Applications include medical imaging analysis, example, detecting tumors in MRI scans, drug discovery, virtual health assistance, predictive analytics for disease prevention, and robot-assisted surgery. Finance. AI is used in the finance industry for tasks such as algorithmic trading, fraud detection, credit scoring, risk assessment, and customer service chatbots. AI-powered financial platforms provide personalized investment advice, automated portfolio management, and fraud prevention services. Retail and e-commerce. AI enhances the retail and e-commerce experience through personalized recommendations, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, pricing optimization, and chatbots for customer service. AI-driven visual search enables users to find products using images, while virtual try-on technology allows customers to visualize products before purchasing. Autonomous vehicles. AI plays a crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, enabling perception, decision-making, and control systems to navigate and operate safely in complex environments. AI algorithms process sensor data, example, LiDAR, cameras, radar, to detect objects, interpret traffic signs, and make real-time driving decisions. Manufacturing and Industry 4.0. AI is transforming manufacturing processes through automation, predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. AI-powered robotics and cobots, collaborative robots, perform repetitive tasks, while predictive analytics reduces downtime and improves productivity by anticipating equipment failures. Education. AI is revolutionizing education through personalized learning experiences, adaptive tutoring systems, and intelligent educational platforms. AI algorithms analyze student performance, preferences, and learning styles to deliver customized content, recommendations, and assessments. Entertainment and media. AI enhances entertainment experiences through content recommendation, personalized streaming services, and immersive media technologies. AI powered content creation tools generate music, art, and literature, while virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, provide immersive gaming and storytelling experiences. What is text data analytics? Text data analytics, also known as text mining or text analysis, is the process of deriving meaningful insights, patterns, and knowledge from unstructured text data. Unstructured text data refers to any textual information that does not have a predefined data model or format, such as emails, social media posts, customer reviews, news articles, and legal documents. Text data analytics involves several key tasks and techniques. Text preprocessing. Text preprocessing is the initial step in text data analytics, which involves cleaning and preparing raw text data for analysis. This includes tasks such as removing special characters, punctuation, and stop words, tokenization, splitting text into individual words or tokens, stemming or lemmatization, reducing words to their root form, and normalization, converting text to lowercase. Text representation. Text data needs to be converted into numerical or vector representations for analysis. Common methods for text representation include bag of words, BO representing text as a collection of unique words or terms, ignoring grammar and word order, TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency assigning weights to words based on their frequency in a document relative to their frequency in the entire corpus, word embeddings, dense vector representations of words in a continuous vector space, learned from large text corpora using techniques like word-to-VEC, GLOV, or fast text, text analytics techniques, sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment or opinion expressed in text data, such as positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. Text representation. Text data needs to be converted into numerical or vector representations for analysis. Common methods for text representation include bag of words, BO representing text as a collection of unique words or terms, ignoring grammar and word order, TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency assigning weights to words based on their frequency in a document relative to their frequency in the entire corpus, word embeddings, dense vector representations of words in a continuous vector space, learned from large text corpora using techniques like word-to-VEC, GLOV, or fast text, text analytics techniques, sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment or opinion expressed in text data, such as positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. Topic modeling. Identifying topics or themes present in a collection of documents using techniques like latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, or non-negative matrix factorization, NMF. Named entity recognition, NER identifying and classifying named entities, example persons, organizations, locations, mentioned in text data, text classification. Categorizing text data into predefined classes or categories based on content, using techniques like naive Bayes, support vector machines, SVM, or deep learning models, example convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks. Text summarization, generating concise summaries of longer text documents, capturing the most important information or key points, information extraction, identifying structured information from unstructured text data, such as extracting entities, relationships, or events. Analysis and interpretation. Once text data is preprocessed and represented, various analysis techniques are applied to derive insights and patterns. This may involve exploratory data analysis, statistical analysis, visualization, and machine learning algorithms for pattern recognition and prediction. How are natural languages processed? Natural language processing, NLP, is the field of study focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually appropriate. Here are the key steps involved in processing natural language. Tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking text into smaller units, typically words or tokens. This step involves splitting the text into individual words, punctuation marks, or other meaningful units. Tokenization serves as the foundational step for subsequent NLP tasks, text cleaning and preprocessing. Text cleaning involves removing any noise or irrelevant information from the text, such as special characters, punctuation, and stop words, commonly occurring words like and, the, is, that typically do not carry much meaning. Text preprocessing also includes tasks like stemming or lemmatization to reduce words to their root form and normalization to convert text to low. Part of speech tagging. Pause tagging. Pause tagging involves assigning grammatical labels, or tags, to each word in the text to indicate its part of speech, example, noun, verb, adjective. This helps in understanding the syntactic structure of the text and disambiguating word meanings based on their context. Named entity recognition, NER. NER is the task of identifying and classifying named entities such as persons, organizations, locations, dates, and other named entities mentioned in the text. NER algorithms analyze the text to identify entities and classify them into predefined categories. Syntax and parsing. Syntax analysis involves analyzing the grammatical structure of sentences to understand the relationships between words and phrases. Parsing techniques, such as dependency parsing or constituency parsing, are used to create parse trees that represent the syntactic structure of sentences. Semantic analysis. Semantic analysis focuses on understanding the meaning of words and sentences in context. This includes tasks such as word sense disambiguation, determining the correct meaning of a word based on its context, semantic role labeling, identifying the roles of words or phrases in a sentence, and semantic similarity, measuring the degree of similarity between words or sentences. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, involves determining the sentiment or opinion expressed in text data. This may include classifying text as positive, negative, or neutral sentiment, as well as identifying specific emotions or attitudes conveyed in the text. Text generation. Text generation involves creating human-like text based on input data or predefined patterns. This includes tasks such as language modeling, text summarization, and machine translation, translating text from one language to another. Machine learning and deep learning. Many NLP tasks are approached using machine learning and deep learning techniques. These include supervised learning algorithms, example, support vector machines, naive Bayes, neural networks, unsupervised learning algorithms, example, clustering, topic modeling, and reinforcement learning for tasks like dialogue generation and language understanding. Overall, natural language processing involves a combination of linguistic analysis, statistical modeling, and machine learning techniques to enable computers to understand and process human language effectively. NLP has numerous applications across various domains, including information retrieval, question answering, machine translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and more.